Why are private jobs considered bad? Well, there are lots of reasons behind this. I chose the top 3 most important reasons that why people do not consider private job is a good option. So the number one reason is job stability. There is no job security in private sector until and unless you are not working with some MNC companies including Amazon, Facebook, Google and all, which unfortunately most of people are not. Even there are several companies who laid off their employees during the pandemic period and they are still jobless. See, the bitter truth is company is here for business only. They are here for making profits only. So the bottom line is there is no moral responsibility exist in this corporate practical world. The second reason why people do not consider it good enough is the job pressure, or you can say target pressure, especially if you are in sales job. That too with a startup company like Cars24 or Oyo. If you have ever worked in a startup company, you can relate this very easily. I have worked with several private companies and really felt the heat. When you try everything and still not able to match the target. A real embarrassment during the review meeting. Startup companies like Cars24 or Oyo, they even fired their employees if they are unable to achieve their targets, irrespective of their qualification and their experience. Finally, we come at our third point, which is working hours. Labor law have already decided the limit of working hours, which is 8 hours per day, which is again a fantasy for private job employees. They work hard, very hard, to save their jobs. Even I know some of them who worked over 9 to 10 hours. They came at 9:30 sharp, but there is no time for returning. Even there are some company which force their employees to work on their week offs too. In addition to this, you really get lesser salary during your initial period. And that too with carrot and stick policy, which means if you really perform well, you will get incentivized. Otherwise, you know the rest, right? Okay, so just let me make very clear that I am not making this video to degrade the private employees. No doubt there are some drawbacks in private job. But to overcome these drawbacks, you need to prepare yourself well, which you can start from today itself by upskilling yourself. That is why I am creating this channel. My only motive to make this channel is to make people professional enough to such extent where they can choose the company as per their interest, unlike most of us who keep doing their job because of some compulsions. Thanks for watching this video.